Today is giveaway day. Who wins this 2815B? Yes, it is this one. It is the green one. And I asked everybody to comment Max Cheetah, which your name is on this list right here. So there's 29 people on the list. Not a bad turnout for this giveaway. So I just want to give a shout out to the first 3 people who entered the giveaway. That is Barry Reese, David Radwan, and Brian88YT. So thanks for being the first 3 to enter. Here's your shout out. Okay, so let's get this wheel spinning. We got to get to the last name. Last name on the wheel wins. We changed the spin time to about 15 seconds, so because there's not that many names. Trent Addison, you're the first name eliminated off the wheel, which I just saw a video. What's Up Guy Garage? Congratulations on winning on his giveaway. If I'm assuming it's the same person, so if not, I'm sorry for mistaking you. But congratulations on What's Up Guy Garage. You just won the Fayou Desert Eagle. So I would love to get that on the channel here as well. Give it a little bit of time because I'm starting small and building my way up. Great Times RC. Well, yeah, Trent, congratulations on that win. Barry Reese. Barry, I think I saw your name on What's Up Guy Garage in the comment section there. Nerdcopter. Nerdcopter, sorry Nerdcopter. I do love your FPV videos you're putting out there. Check his channel out if you're not subscribed to him. Does some nice flying with his drone, and sometimes I have to hold my breath because he makes some close calls. But Scott Ridgway. So I have 3 more of these Jules left. This is the next one coming on the channel. You'll see this video out real soon. It's the 2811B, which is this one. The blue one's the one I'm going to give away. I'm going to unbox the red one. Malnati's RCs. But then after I get through these Jules, I have a PX Toys S727. So I'm going to be unboxing that last, and that is the last of... Oh, Dooley Curl. Dooley, keep trying and trying. Jason Rodriguez. So I do have quite a bit of RCs on the way. They're in shipment right now. I have 6 RCs coming. David Radwan. But then I'm changing the way that I'm doing the giveaways. I explained this before, but I know I have new subscribers, and thank you everybody who has subscribed. I'm at 953 as of the last time I checked. John Larson. So we are getting close to 1,000 subs, which means I will be giving away a Latrax vehicle. I will let you guys vote on which Latrax video, not Latrax video, but which Latrax vehicle you want to have as the giveaway. Michael Flynn. Which reminds me, Michael Flynn, you won the H112. The order is in. I have it in with GearBest. The order is in. It still hasn't shipped yet, so I don't know if it's on back order or what, but they kind of keep giving me the runaround when I keep asking about it. I keep trying to get them to ship that out. Hopefully soon they do. Brian 88YT. So, they said in the thing 15 to 60 days shipping, so I was hoping it was more of the 15 days, but man, the way this is going, I think it's going to be more closer to the 60 days for shipping. So, sorry about that, Michael. I'm trying. RC Drones and More. Desmond Mondesir. So, yeah, back to all the vehicles that I have coming, all the RCs. I have the LF606 coming. I have the Eachine E61. If you remember a while back, I ordered the E61 and for some reason Banggood returned it, or it got returned to Banggood before I even received it. Sharkvasion. Sorry, I'm rambling on here. We're trying to eliminate names here. But anyway, I'm trying it again with the E61. Hopefully it gets here this time. I have a little 1/72 scale tank. DMD dummies. And I also have the MGRC 118 scale. It's a little two-wheel drive truck. What else? I have them written down here right in front of me. I'm taking notes here. Jonathan the Mazda guy. I have the Flybear Cessna 182 FX 801. I have that coming, as well as the WL Toys XKS S929 helicopter. RC King. So yeah, I have quite a bit of RCs coming. How I'm going to do it, I didn't order 2 of everything like I've done in the past. I'm going to do just monthly giveaways where everything that I feature for that month is up for grabs for the giveaway. James R. And then you just put your name in on each video, and then at the end of the month, I'm going to pick one person. I'm going to take all the names, I'm going to pick one person for whichever RC that they entered for, and that's who's going to win. Doug Christensen. So yeah, I'm excited for what's coming up on the channel. I know I've been doing a lot of these Jule RCs, but I ordered like a whole bunch of them. Baseman, sorry to eliminate you. So like I was saying, I ordered, hold on, Wheelman 714C. I ordered a bunch of these Jules just because like they were cheap, and I was curious. They look pretty neat, so I thought, oh, I'll buy them, and if they're all right, I'll give them away. I was taking a chance on it. Breaking Silence. Oh man, you made it so far, but Wesley Hodnefield. You and Breaking Silence are both ones that are in these a lot, and you just can't win one. Alright, B-sides. Final four is RC Life, Guilt Sum, Delaware RC Man, and Jeremy Morano. And Jeremy Morano is the only one that has won in the past, so we could have a repeat winner or a first time winner. Delaware RC Man, you came pretty close this time. You're another one that's been in a lot of these and just hasn't won. So we're down to Jeremy Morano and RC Life. So we're either going to have a repeat winner or we're going to have a first time winner. But here it goes. Once again, it is right on the line. So this is as fair of a spin as you'll get. So the winner of, you know what, I did this before and I liked how I did this. I'm going to turn it to 30 seconds just so it spins just a little bit longer. Here we go. Oh, it looks like we are going to have a first-time winner because Jeremy Morano, you made it to second place. Eliminate your name off the wheel. RC Life, you are the last name on the wheel. So congratulations, and this 2815B is yours. So you have 7 days to claim your prize, and I need a shipping address so I know where to send this to. You can email me. My email address is Sorry. The dog is scratching herself right now, so. You done? Are you done? Come here. Alright, so she's done scratching herself, but okay. So I need you to send me a shipping address to readyrunrc.rtr@gmail.com, or you can send me a message on Instagram at readyrunrc. But you have 7 days to do it. Send me a shipping address. But congratulations. So we are so close to 1,000 subs. I'm excited. I'm hoping by the end of this month that I hit it. I have 47 to go, so it is possible. I've been averaging 2 to 3 a day. So with the averages, I should hit it by the end of the month, which is awesome. Which means that I think I'm gonna do the 1,000 giveaway. I'm gonna time it sometime around Christmas. So that's it. We found ourselves a winner. Hit the subscribe button if you didn't already. Smack that like button. Let's congratulate RC Life in the comments below. And I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.